An electric vehicle, or EV, is a type of vehicle that uses one or more electric motors for propulsion instead of an internal combustion engine. Electric vehicles are powered by rechargeable batteries that are charged by plugging the vehicle into an electrical power source. The batteries can be charged from a standard electrical outlet, a charging station, or a dedicated charging device. Battery electric vehicles, BEVs, these are fully electric vehicles that use only batteries to power the motor. They are charged by plugging into an electrical outlet or charging station and have a range that varies depending on the size of the battery. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, these vehicles have both an electric motor and an internal combustion engine. Benefits of electric vehicles. Transport is a fundamental requirement of modern life, but the traditional combustion engine is quickly becoming outdated. Petrol or diesel vehicles are highly polluting and are being quickly replaced by fully electric vehicles. Fully electric vehicles, EV, have zero tailpipe emissions and are much better for the environment. The electric vehicle revolution is here, and you can be part of it. Lower running costs. The running cost of an electric vehicle is much lower than an equivalent petrol or diesel vehicle. Electric vehicles use electricity to charge their batteries instead of using fossil fuels like petrol or diesel. Electric vehicles are more efficient, and that combined with the electricity cost means that charging an electric vehicle is cheaper than filling petrol or diesel for your travel requirements. Using renewable energy sources can make the use of electric vehicles more eco-friendly. The electricity cost can be reduced further if charging is done with the help of renewable energy sources installed at home, such as solar panels. Low maintenance cost. Electric vehicles have very low maintenance costs because they don't have as many moving parts as an internal combustion vehicle. The servicing requirements for electric vehicles are lesser than the conventional petrol or diesel vehicles. Therefore, the yearly cost of running an electric vehicle is significantly low. Zero tailpipe emissions. Driving an electric vehicle can help you reduce your carbon footprint because there will be zero tailpipe emissions. You can reduce the environmental impact of charging your vehicle further by choosing renewable energy options for home electricity. Tax and financial benefits. Registration fees and road tax on purchasing electric vehicles are lesser than petrol or diesel vehicles. There are multiple policies and incentives offered by the government depending on which state you are in. To find out more about electric vehicle incentives, click below. Electric vehicle incentive. Petrol and diesel use is destroying our planet. The availability of fossil fuels is limited, and their use is destroying our planet. Toxic emissions from petrol and diesel vehicles lead to long-term, adverse effects on public health. The emissions impact of electric vehicles is much lower than petrol or diesel vehicles. That is a waste of around 80%. Fully electric vehicles have zero tailpipe emissions, but even when electricity production is taken into account, petrol or diesel vehicles emit almost 3 times more carbon dioxide than the average EV. Therefore, electric vehicles are the way forward for Indian transport, and we must switch to them now. Electric vehicles are easy to drive and quiet. Electric vehicles don't have gears and are very convenient to drive. There are no complicated controls, just accelerate, brake, and steer. plug it into a home or public charger. Electric vehicles are also quiet, so they reduce noise pollution that traditional vehicles contribute to. Convenience of charging at home. Imagine being at a busy fuel station during peak hours, and you are getting late to reach your workplace. These problems can easily be overcome with an electric vehicle. Simply plug your vehicle in at your home charger for 4 to 5 hours before you plan to go. If you are able to get a charger where you park at home, it is very convenient to plan your journeys in advance. What if you forget to plug in your machine someday? Then you can easily take the help of fast chargers or even battery swapping services if you are on a two-wheeler on the road. No noise pollution. Electric vehicles have the silent functioning capability as there is no engine under the hood. No engine means no noise. The electric motor functions so silently that you need to peek into your instrument panel to check if it is on. Electric vehicles are so silent that manufacturers have to add false sounds in order to make them safe for pedestrians.